Hey everyone, this is just a video to show you guys how to get your solutions for numbers 4 to 6 from tonight's homework. So, the first thing that you want to do is you always want to find out what one of the variables is equal to. In this problem, you have y equals negative 3x minus 7 and y equals x plus 9. Because you already know what y is equal, especially right here, then we're just going to set up an equation where we have what y is equal to. X plus 9 is equal to negative 3x minus 7. Remember, we always want to do it so that you have one variable that you're solving for. So now I'm solving for x. Once you get what x is equal to, then you're going to go on to, so for instance, from our original equation, we can take a look at this one, y equals x plus 9. The original equation, all you're going to do is plug your value for x right here. That way, you can find out what your answer, or your solution is. Remember, you're going to get a ordered pair for your answer. So you must have what x is equal to here, and once you get what y is equal to, you're going to put it right here. So you'll have your coordinate pair for your solution. Alright, let's take a look at the next problem. Number 5. So the system of equations that you have is 1/2 x plus y is equal to negative 4, and y is equal to, okay, here y is equal to 2x plus 16. Now, using what we know about y right here, okay, now what we're going to do is this. We're going to plug what we have right here, where y equals 2x plus 16. We're going to plug that into our original equation of 1/2 x plus y is equal to negative 4. So instead of this y right here, we're going to substitute that with 2x plus 16. And that's where that 2x plus 16 comes from right here. Make sure that at this point you're solving for x. Now that you have what x is equal to, what you're going to do is make sure that you plug it back into our original equation of y equals 2x plus 16. The value that you got for x in the last problem, or the last slide, you're going to plug here. So you're not going to have x anymore, so you're going to have 3 times what you got for x plus 16. Remember again, your answer will be a ordered pair. Now, number 6 is a little trickier because here you're not given what y or x is equal to from the very beginning. What you must do is you need to solve for one of the variables first. The reason why they're solving for x with the second equation is because if I solve for x, you only have to take one step. Just do the inverse of positive 3y, which is to subtract 3y from both sides, and you're going to be left with x is equal to negative 3y plus 20. Using this information, I'm just going to use my first equation, and now I'm going to substitute what I got for x right here. So I'm going to substitute negative 3y plus 20 into the first equation. Be careful with this because in the very beginning of this problem, it is a negative x. That means that you're going to distribute a negative 1 to negative 3y and negative 1 to 20. Be careful with that, okay? Solve for y for this problem, and you'll get y is equal to, check it. Now, using what y is equal to in the last problem, substitute it for a y right here. So you'll have x plus 3 times what you have for y is equal to 20. And then from there, you'll find out what x is equal to. Alright, tomorrow we're going to do a Kahoot based on your solutions. So make sure that you bring in your solutions tomorrow. Make sure you study up. Alright, I'll see everyone tomorrow.